Paper trading with TradingView not working with Indian stocks. In this video, I'm going to show you why paper trading is not working with Indian stocks on TradingView and what you can do instead. If you're seeing messages like non-tradable symbol or your buy and sell buttons are disabled, don't worry, it's not a problem with your account. The main reason is that TradingView does not support paper trading for stocks listed on the Indian exchanges, including NSE and BSE. This restriction is due to exchange policies that do not permit their market data to be used for simulated trading through TradingView. As a result, paper trading is disabled for Indian-listed stocks. So even if your paper trading account is connected successfully, you won't be able to place virtual trades on NSE or BSE stocks. You may notice that the charts load normally, but when you try to place an order, TradingView displays a non-tradable symbol message. This is expected behavior and not a bug or an issue with your TradingView subscription. Now let's look at your available options. First, if you have a supported Indian broker connected to TradingView, you can place real trades through your live brokerage account, provided your broker supports TradingView integration. The restriction applies only to the built-in paper trading simulator. Second, if your goal is simply to practice trading, you can use TradingView's paper trading feature with supported international markets such as US stocks, forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and futures where paper trading is available. Third, if you specifically want to practice Indian stocks without risking real money, check whether your broker offers its own demo or virtual trading platform. Some Indian brokers provide simulated trading environments that comply with exchange regulations. Here's a pro tip: don't focus only on paper trading Indian stocks. Instead, use paper trading to improve your chart reading, risk management, trade execution, and trading discipline. These skills are universal and can be applied to any market, including Indian equities. And that's why paper trading is not working with Indian stocks on TradingView. It's an exchange policy rather than a technical problem, so there is nothing you need to fix in your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next.